Welcome to All in a Game.
Hi, I'm Neha.
Hi, I'm Ajay.
Are you guys ready for today's quiz?
Yes.
Alright. So today's quiz is I will be giving you the name of a country and you have to tell me what is the currency. Alright?
Okay.
And tell me, rather write the currency on the slates given to you. Alright?
Okay.
Okay. So let me give you an example. For example, the currency of India is Indian rupee. Okay? So the same way you can even say rupee. So that way we'll start. Okay? So let's go. What is the currency of Japan? Yes, you can say it.
Yen.
Yen. Okay, yes, both of you get it. That's right, yen. Okay, so did you guys know that all currencies have an ISO name, ISO code? As in, like for Indian rupee, it is INR. Okay, and like yen, it is Japanese
JPY.
yen. Yes, exactly, it's JPY. So each one has an ISO code. All right, let's go to the next one. What is the currency of England? Yes. Okay. So it is pound as both of them have written it. All right. So the ISO code for that one is GBP. Okay. So let's go to the next one. What is the currency of Thailand?
I'm not too sure with the spelling, but it's baht.
Yeah, spelling is fine. Okay. What is the currency of Malaysia? Yes, please say it. Your answer.
Ringgit.
Ringgits.
Okay, that is correct. Malaysian ringgits, that is the currency. The next one. What is the currency of Bangladesh? Okay, you can tell me the answer.
Rupaya.
Rupiah.
Okay, I mean both of you saying it, but no, it
Actually,
is
it's
not rupiah.
I was thinking it's
It
something
is
else.
taka.
Ah,
Oh,
correct.
shit,
yeah.
That's why
Yeah,
I was
I was
thinking.
writing you. I was thinking, yeah.
Rupiah I knew. That's what I was thinking.
Yes, a lot of
It's Nepal which is rupiah, not Bangladesh.
exactly. A lot of Asian countries, rupee,
Rupiah.
and different
That's why I was thinking I
pronunciation.
couldn't recollect.
Yes, but Bangladesh, no.
Taka,
it is not.
actually,
It is
yeah.
taka. That, no problem.
Mistakes also we do say, Babu.
Okay, let's go to the next one. What is the currency of Greece? Okay, yeah, your answer.
Euro.
Euro.
Yes, it is euro. Both of you got it right. Okay, just, I'm not giving the points, just asking what is the ISO of euro?
EUR.
Okay, let's go to the next one. Very currently favorite tourist place. What is the currency of Azerbaijan? Everybody wants to go there, but do they know what is the currency? Come on. Hold up, don't say it. I'm still thinking. Do you want to try? Do you want me to give you a clue?
No, don't give.
Okay, what have you written?
Dirham.
No, it is not dirham.
I thought UAE, so.
Okay, so I'll leave this to the viewers. Although I have a question at the end for you guys also, but you can still answer this one in the comments as well because it is such a hot favorite currently for tourism. Okay, the next one is also a hot favorite current for tourist visits. What is the currency of Vietnam?
I thought so you'll say Vietnam only.
Because Vietnam is again currently being crazily visited. So what is the currency? Come on, guys. If alone we had planned a trip there, we would have known.
No, but I actually have heard it, but I'm not able to recollect it. I'm just not able to recollect it.
Okay, do you want me to give you guys a clue?
Yeah. Maybe I'll be able to recollect then.
He's writing something.
Let him write. You tell me.
Okay, I'll give you a. It's nowhere close to what it is, but I'm just giving you a rhyming word. Okay, like yin and yang. Okay, so it's kind of rhyming with yang. Okay, just a rhyming sound. Might ring a bell, I think so. Oh, it is very closely rhyming with wrong. No. Do you want to show your answer? Okay. He's tried Wong. Do you want to try anything? No? Okay. No, it is not. Okay, it is neither Wong nor Dong. But the currency of Vietnam is Dong. Dong. D-O-N-G.
Summa way I should have guessed.
Yeah. So I thought if I would have told you, ding, and I know it would have become too obvious. So the reason why I didn't say it.
Okay.
Let's go to the next one. What is the currency of China?
Like really? यार एकदम से याद नहीं आ रहा.
Okay, so yeah, can you say it?
Renminbi.
Can I say the word that you said? ISO RMB.
Huh? No. Okay, so this is renminbi,
Renminbi.
Yeah, but ISO is RMB.
but this is close.
That I'm
Yes.
right.
So yes, but then even if you know the ISO, it's not, and the ISO for it is CNY. Right. All right.
Okay.
The next one, it is also yuan.
Yuan.
Yuan
हाँ,
also.
मैं yuan
renminbi
सोच रही
is,
थी.
told
The
outside,
official,
but then
huh?
yes, so yuan is also, so that is why it is CNY. Okay,
Got
that
it.
is right. What is the currency of Iran?
Why do you ask such sad questions?
Come on, guys.
ईरान कौन जाता है?
इतना न्यूज में है.
तो इसलिए तो कौन जा रहा है वहाँ?
हाँ तो पता होगा ना. We always check for the conversions, this, that.
I don't.
Okay, shall I give you?
No, 1 second.
Okay, he's got it. He says no. That's
Wait.
not going to give you a clue. Are you taking it? No.
Real, correct.
Yes, it is real. That is right. Okay, he gets the point. It is real. Okay, the next one. What is the currency of Korea? Won and yen. Okay, it is won. He's got it right. It is not yen, it is won. Okay?
I don't like this quiz.
Okay. Next one. Very, very easy. What is the currency of United States?
I gave answer first, so I will get points.
Okay, so he's drawn a symbol also. I should give him a half a point extra.
That even I'll write. I'll write USD. I'll write dollar. I'll do all drawings.
Okay, yeah, so this was a very simple one. Yes, okay, so it is dollars, everybody knows. Okay, so the next one. What is the currency of Russia? Yes, you can still show it, you won't be able to see it.
It's okay if you don't know. Leave it.
It's okay, the spellings are wrong. Please tell me your answers.
Rubles.
Yes.
It's not rubles. It's ruble.
Okay. It is like rupee and rupees. It doesn't matter. He thinks in plurals always, not singular. Alright. Yes, it is ruble, Russian ruble. Okay, let's go to the next one. What is the currency of South Africa? Copy. School used to copy.
I don't know.
Okay, she doesn't know. This is
SAR.
SAR. South African SAR is the ISO symbol.
That was the right answer then.
ISO is also not SAR. You have two letters correct, one letter wrong. It is
That is wrong only.
It is RAND.
Rand,
And the
R&D,
ISO
correct.
and the ISO is ZAR.
ZAR.
Not
Correct,
SAR.
correct.
Okay. So yeah, you were close, but
Correct,
then
correct.
okay, that's fine. The next one. What is the currency of Switzerland?
Hey, क्या भाई मुझे?
Switzerland. Arey.
Whoever gives the answer first gets more points. I have given the answer
Okay,
first.
let him try. Let us give him a chance. What is it?
Frank.
Frank. You?
CHF.
Swiss franc.
Frank. That is correct. Yes, CHF. That is correct. Okay. Here we come to the bonus question of this quiz. The bonus question. What is the currency of Kenya? Kenya. Come on.
इसके पहले वाला साउथ अफ्रीका का
brand.
रैंड वैन कुछ भी नहीं है और मत लिखना सिर्फ साउथ अफ्रीका का ही है वो.
Yes.
केनियन रैंड
No.
I think it's Kenyan dollar or Kenyan rupiah only.
Okay, even you did it. A very good yes.
So yes, both of them don't get it. The answer
Shit, I
is
use this currency also. I was when I was in Kenya.
Oh yeah.
okay. I'll give you
And
one
German.
last chance. Okay, I
No.
can't say 10 because you're saying you visited. You should
No, 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 no,
Ten.
no, no. Don't give chance.
9, 8, 7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over.
3, 2, 1.
That's over. Then.
Completely
It is
forgot.
Shilling.
Shilling. 10
यार,
साल हो गए
किसी आपको
यार.
नहीं पता.
10 साल हो गए. Shit.
तो क्या हुआ?
So nobody gets the bonus question. Okay.
Ah, shit.
So before I announce today's winner, here is the viewer's question. The question for you: what is the currency of Indonesia? Leave your answers in the comments. Okay. And the winner for today's quiz is Rajesh. If you guys enjoyed today's video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and stay updated on our regular new quizzes. Until then, bye.
Bye.